Welcome to Drag Mo Pandar Ko, the only show where we do whatever we want, but we transform anyone who wants to be in drag.
Yes, a safe space for people who want to express themselves in drag.
Yes, exactly. That's why we're doing God's work.
This
Yeah,
is God's work.
this is God's
I
work.
forgot your Jesus. Correct.
No, I'm not Jesus. No, we don't want to go there. And we have a special guest today. Yes, who's willing to be our victim.
Victim?
Yes. Victim of love. Charot. Okay, oh come on. Introduce her, girl.
Please welcome our guest for the first episode.
For the 4th episode.
Mark Espuerta. Tinawag akong kuya.
Kuya? Oh my God, tinawag siyang kuya. The disrespect, you guys.
Proud asset siya.
Oh, ayan.
Hello.
Hello. Wow, look at you.
Oh, Mark, can you introduce yourself to us? How old are you? Are you?
Napakabait na bata.
And all the...
I'm Marcus Puerta. I'm a graphic designer by profession. I also do part. I'm an artist.
Oh.
Hindi nga na itatanong.
Hindi na nga kami nagtanong, di ba?
Yun na nga. I'm 34 years old from Bacolod City.
34 years old? My God, you're like so old. Ayan, but no, actually, you look very young.
Yes.
Oh, sige. Compliment yun, ha? Oh.
Well,
Niya ako, may ayok sa
Talaga ba?
Mayroon ka pa niya.
Hindi ako sanay.
Well, Mark is my friend and a recent friend. You know, we just met this year. But in the small time that we've been together, I
Yes.
discovered
You discovered?
that he's actually dreams of doing drag.
Yeah.
He dreams of doing
He
drag.
hasn't done it before.
I think you should consider your dreams. You know, you should reconsider it. Yeah. Yeah. Not all dreams are meant to happen.
Papatayin na ko yung tatay ko.
Tell us more about it.
Yes, tell us more about it.
Yeah, I really want to be, I want to be a drag queen talaga. As in, I've been watching Drag Race like since 2019. Parang lahat talaga. Since season 6 or something, 8 siguro. Pinapanood ko siya all the time. Tapos sabi ko, I'm gonna do drag.
Wanna try it?
Since I'm an artist. Sabi ko, feel ko kaya ko siya. Parang madali lang siya. Parang nagpe-paint ka lang or something. Pero thinking about it, sabi ko, patay na ko ng tatay ko. Hindi siya pwede.
But weird that you've mentioned it because I have a friend who did drag because ang sabi sa kanya ng tatay niya, okay lang maging bakla, wag ka lang mag-base babae.
Yes. Yun ang sabi
Pero
ko.
as a form of protest, he dressed up as drag. So is that also the same kind of like, motivation into doing drag?
Actually, ako, I came out to my family pero never sa tatay ko. Parang he doesn't want to talk about it.
Your dad was like, no!
Okay na yan. Huwag mo na
Okay.
pag-usapan yan. Okay na yan. Basta huwag ka lang magdadamit ng babae. That's yung parang sa...
Okay.
Kaya, no.
So if your dad is here right now,
Hi, Dad.
ayun na yun.
Huwag na po ako.
Would you be able to tell your dad right now? If your dad comes to watch this, what would be your message to your dad?
I love you and I hope you understand na joke lang.
Joke lang pala to eh. O, di tigil na natin. No, but that's good. That's nice that you love your parents, regardless if they don't quite understand these things.
And you're not alone in this experience.
Yeah.
Especially my generation, the older generation, we've gone through this. There's not so much acceptance yet,
Yeah.
unfortunately. And as a result, we experience a lot of insecurities in our lives
Yeah.
as a queer person. But we all have our chance to really affirm ourselves, like what you're doing right now.
Yeah.
Masaya na ako, nanonood lang ako and appreciate everyone. Like, oh, she looks so good.
Oh, bakit nandito ka?
I wanna
Masaya ka
try it.
lang pala nanonood, di ba?
That's why kuya nung first time you told me na,
Kuya?
Sorry.
Paulit-ulit yung kuya, girl. Alam mo.
Nasanay ako talaga. Dapat magkasama kami ni...
No, I don't. It's not that important for.
Yeah.
Pronouns are important.
Pronouns are important, but we don't...
I don't vilify you.
Yeah, I don't persecute people then if they mess up my pronouns.
Yeah.
Because we forgive people.
Nasanay lang talaga.
Just don't do it for the sake of
making fun.
Making fun of
Oh,
people.
yeah. Disrespect.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, if you did it for because it was a mistake.
Yeah.
It was an unintentional.
Yes.
Right?
Unintentional siya.
Okay.
Ganun talaga yung relationship natin naman. Nagkakilala tayo na
Yes,
out of drag. So,
Really?
yeah.
How did you meet ba, Grindr?
No.
Okay. Just verifying. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot about that app already. It's been years.
Wow. Good for you, girl.
I'm celibate.
Wow.
Masanto na.
Ayan. So, I kind of am curious as to, I'm sure as an artist, you already know the similarities of what you do as an artist and what we do as drag, as a drag artist. But what exactly do you feel like you're scared about? Or are you scared into being put into drag right now?
No, I'm not.
You're not.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Oh, she's excited, y'all. But did you know that drag is a crime? Oh, is it not a crime? It's not a crime pala. It's not a crime. Oh, but are you aware of
Drag is a crime.
being drag as is drag political? Do you agree drag is political?
It can be.
It can be. It can be, girl.
It depends on how you look at it.
Okay. I mean, she does have opinions, so
Should we give her the rundown?
sure, we sure. Well, we'll let her think.
Yeah.
We'll let her think. Okay.
I just think that, whenever you do drag,
Yeah.
when you step out into the world, you're actually suggesting to the rest of the world to question the status quo, to question the binary.
Yeah.
And so therefore, because of that, drag is
Always political. It's inherently political.
Yeah, because the binary is the one dictating a lot of things in this world, even the basic things, the way we are entertained at the hospitals, in schools, these things that are
An election katuloy.
that
Oh,
are very
yes.
What she said.
What she said. Go.
no, which is for a lot of us very limiting and also very discriminatory.
That's true. I mean, having experienced this firsthand. No, but I do agree that so I do agree your viewpoint at times because some people might forget that it's not just all glamour. You're trying to destroy the status quo.
Yes.
This idea of what gender can be, and that's exactly what drag is all about. It's trying to shake things up.
Yes.
And sometimes by shaking things up, you can get yourself in a
In
bit
trouble.
in trouble. But I don't mind.
Sanay na.
Sanay na. Oo.
We need to clarify, why are we shaking things up?
Because things need to be changed. There are a lot of people who benefit from trying to destroy. So we also would like people to benefit from what we're doing so they can exist. They can live their lives freely and safely because sometimes people can be so mean just because you're different.
Yeah.
And what we're trying to put out there is being different is actually okay. Being different can be celebrated. You can transform yourself. You can be whoever you want to be. And that's our mission in life. This is doing God's work. Yes.
Yes.
So, I have a question.
Go.
If you're saying na it's political, so every time we're in drag,
whether you like it or not,
yeah, it's
people are gonna ask themselves,
I think
is
so.
that normal?
And
And that is
sometimes
political.
people might not be aware that what they're doing is already very political.
The personal is political.
Yes, anything that's personal is political.
Exactly.
Yeah.
basically, I'm thinking na if I'm in drag, if I want to do drag,
Yes.
I'm thinking that I just want to share my art.
Exactly.
And that is political.
That is political because you are creating your own without much of a thought of what other people might think.
Exactly.
Because this is your story.
Okay.
And you're aware that sometimes doing your art, people might also think na, oh, I don't quite like it. I hate it. How would you feel if people would invalidate your art as a painter? Well, you're gonna get upset, rightfully so. But
Question them
you're
why.
gonna do it anyway, right? You're gonna still keep on creating.
Yeah, because it makes me happy.
Yeah. Dapat naka-flash dito yung mga gawa niya. Oo, totoo.
Follow me.
Follow him in this These are his paintings.
Look lang.
Ayan, tapos lalakas na yan. Ganun. Oo. Like ka natin, nandito na yun eh. Oh.
But anyways, who do you want to become in drag? I think
Yeah,
that's
who is your ideal, like siguro your idol drag?
Yeah.
I really like Nymphia.
Nymphia?
And
Hindi talaga si
Choir.
Virginia. Nymphia talaga. Oh, sige, Nymphia.
And
Okay.
Bosco. I love Bosco.
What is it about Nymphia and Bosco that you really, really like?
Nymphia, ang kanyang drag talaga is, meron talaga siyang kinukuha sa kanyang culture.
Love that.
And,
Love
and
that.
talagang nilalagay niya sa drag niya art talaga.
Like what?
I
Yeah.
don't know, like,
Do you like banana?
Do you like
I love
bananas?
banana.
Ooh.
lakatan.
Very specific. Ano tondang girl? Ano like lakatan mo tondang girl? Yeah. What are you? What banana will you be?
I forgot.
Senyorita. Jut lang. Jut lang.
Orkestra kasi. Or you just...
Alam nyo, for anyone out there who's like really into masculine drag. Anyway lang. Get her number. Girl. She needs to be watered.
Well, I'm so excited to see you in your fantasy. The
Yes.
fantasy.
And then hopefully,
Maging babae ako. Baka mukha
Gusto mo ba talagang babae
Hindi no. Yeah.
instead of drag?
Ay, yung mag-iba talagang mukha.
well, ano naman, panigurado, mag-iiba talaga yung mukha mo.
Oh, yes.
Ang hindi lang naman mag-guarantee is
Kung maganda.
kung bagay ba sa'yo.
Kasalanan mo na yun.
Ayan, sige. We'll see her in a bit. She'll be transformed
Diyan.
into her closest idol and regain this new sense of persona.
Banana.
Banana. As, I don't know, Anita Banana. Ayun. We'll think of your drag name, girl, and then you'll share your drag name later, right?
Yes.
Okay, great.
We'll be back.
And we're back! Ayan na nga, after a lot of hard work, naka-ano rin tayo ng ilang hardware tools ang ginamit natin para talagang mapalambot. Mga 3 hours in the pressure cooker ang pagpapalambot natin dito sa guest natin.
Lumambot pero lumaki yung ulo.
Oo. Sobrang akala mo,
Pusado na agad.
akala mo kung sinong maganda. Let's welcome our guest!
Mark Escuarta.
Mark, halika dito, Mark!
Parang hindi Mark yung...
Hi, chef! Go. Mark.
Yes.
Hindi ka na si Mark ngayon, malamang. Anong pangalan
Drag
natin?
name.
Ano may ibibigay niyo sa akin?
Di ba, hindi ka ba nakinig doon, backstage? Anong pangalan binigay sa'yo ni Cheche? Ano nga? Sige, anong iniisip mo? Sige, anong iniisip mo?
Ko is, pangalan ng mom ko. Kunin ko yung pangalan ng mom.
Go!
Gloria. And then yung last is Amora.
Gloria Amora. Alam mo, pwede bang...
Mas bagay yung doon sa back.
Hindi, pwede kong dagdagan. Gloria Maruya.
Yeah. Mas maganda. At least may kuha pa din sa banana.
Gloria Maruya the Third. Charot.
Sure ka first time mo talaga mga drag?
First time talaga. Ang sakit nga sa paa.
Talaga? Sakit sa paa?
Isang ikot ka dyan. Isang
Ayan. Now, how does it feel to... ayan. How does it feel to be the next Miss Universe?
I don't feel any pressure.
Wow! Tawa ka, girl. Wala. Ayan, so...
fairness, ang ganda.
Ito maganda.
Ang
Transformation.
galing yun.
Sa tingin mo, nakuha ba yung
Fantasy.
Yes.
Nakuha yung fantasy.
Kuha talaga.
Kasi yun talaga yung plano namin sa buhay. Kasi dapat gusto namin kung anong drag mo, paandar.
Andar ko.
Oo. Pinapaandaran namin. Ginagawa namin ng
Pero
paraan.
grabe, ang hirap pala niyan.
Oo.
Sobra.
O, diba?
Oo. Parang, iniisip ko palang, you guys, inaano nyo to for hours.
Yeah.
Grabe na.
Kawawa kami. Pero, would you do this again? You should. Well, not now, but would you try to probably do this again?
Maybe, yes. Maybe.
Napaisip siya.
Yeah, ang hirap talaga.
No, but aside from the hirap, like, how do you feel right
How
now?
do you feel? Yeah.
Ang saya. Sobrang saya. Dati pinapanood ko na siya sa TV. Ngayon ako na siya.
Wow!
May potential.
Yung potential.
Galing.
Nakikita ko nga na sobrang parang the next Marina Summer.
Sorry.
No. Go lang. Oo.
Magaling na ako na sabi ko.
Pa ako na, ako yung daughter mo. Ngayon. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, well, what's her name again?
Sobrang take.
Gloria Maruya. Work.
What?
Bakit nga pala yung isa? Ano yung original na?
Gloria Amora.
What's Amora? Why Amora?
Amora means love. Because I want my drag to just exude.
Wow.
Actually, you can stick with Amora din naman. What I like about drag din naman kasi, you get to choose the name if you try to embody it as far as you can. Because a lot of drag queens also change their names, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oo, yung
go.
iba nga parang from sumali sa Drag Race and then pagbalik nila, iba na yung name.
Correct. Yeah. So you have that
It's
freedom.
evolving.
It is. Because you have the power to be who you want to be.
Exactly.
Ganun lang
And
yun.
Drag is
A crime. Di ba? Tama? Nag-agree siya.
take away ko dito.
Oh.
Yung mic natin.
Ay, okay. Naririnig naman.
Oo.
Pero grabe yung puti.
Magamit pa mo.
Sakit.
Wala pa yan. Pero maganda ka.
Maganda.
Oo.
Ka.
Alalahanin mo, masakit man, pero maganda ka.
So, tingin mo,
Okay ba pala?
tatanungin ka pa, kasana kita, is it worth it?
Worth it sobra.
Anong masasabi mo sa mga taong gustong mag-drag? Ngayon na-try mo na.
Mga taong
Gustong mag-drag.
grabe yung patience nyo, grabe yung dedication.
No, I mean sa mga taong gustong
Ah,
mag-drag.
Gusto
gusto
mag-drag.
mag-drag.
Katulad mo dati.
Well, try nyo, wala namang masama na i-try siya. And maybe,
Parang napilitan ka yata. Try nyo. Wala namang masama.
hindi, ano.
Sige na nga. Oo. Pero kanina reklamo siya, masakit daw sa paa.
Maybe siya, pero there's no harm in trying.
And there's no harm in drag.
Yeah.
There is no there is no harm in Yeah, but we want you to actually feel the fantasy. So we'll take a video of you like
Yes.
making a runway out of this corridor. Ayan. Willing, go. Oh. Okay, bagong lahat. What is pride for you?
Pride is everyone. Like yung sinagot mo kanina.
Bakit sinagot ko kanina? Dapat ka sumagot eh.
Pride is everyone. Pride is love.
Yun pala, at the end of the day, pride is palakpakan natin si Gloria Amora Maruya. Actually, tatluhin mo na. Go. Gloria Maruya Amora. GMA. Gloria Maruya Amora. Si GMA pala
Yes,
to eh.
Yeah, I am sorry.
Anang nibya win. O, di ba? Hilaw pa kasi siya, kaya siya green. Ganun yun eh. Di ba?
Dilaw ni
Di ba, give it some time, magiging hinog din siya.
Well, anyways, for those who want to be in drag,
Yes.
like Gloria Muria,
Yeah.
you can message us on IG, on Instagram, Puro Loco Vega, or Virginia_please.
Correct. Like, just reach out to us and call our names and we'll be there.
All right, and for her first runway performance, we present to you
performance na.
yes,
Gloria Maruya Amora!